I'll be showing you how to download paid apps for your iOS device for free. So yeah, this basically easy stuff. Let's do it. Let's go first. So once you need to open your computer and you need to download BP25. Then you also need to connect your iOS device to your computer, like what I did on my iPod Touch 5 generation. The download link of the BP25 is in the description, so just click on that and just download it. Right, so open up BP25. So once you open BP25, just go to the store top corner with the Apple logo. Sorry if you cannot see it. The one with the red train sliders on it. So just click on this one. Then it's right here. You can search out the main apps that you want to download for free. For example, Minecraft. Once you download the paid apps that you want, just go to this one.